Hello students, today let us discuss a problem on the refrigerator. So here in this problem they have given COP, that is coefficient of performance of a refrigerator, as 1.5, and it absorbs heat from the food compartment at a rate of 360 kilojoules per minute. So they are asking us to draw the sketch of the system and also to find the power consumed by the refrigerator, that is W, and they are asking us to calculate the heat rejected to the surroundings. So first of all, let us write down the given data. So what is the given data here? They have given the COP, that is 1.5, and Q2, that is heat observed by the system as 360 kilojoules per minute, which we will convert into kilojoules per second by dividing it with 60, that is 6 kilojoules per second, or you can write it as 6 kilowatt. Now the first thing which they are asking us to calculate is the power consumed by the refrigerator. So that is COP is equals to Q2 divided by Q1 minus Q2, or you can write it as heat, that is QC divided by QH minus QC. So that is Q2 divided by W, because Q1 minus Q2 will give us the power. So now we know the COP. So if you want to find the power consumed by the refrigerator W, then you have to divide this Q2 by COP. So we will get 6 divided by 1.5, that is 3.3333 kilowatt. Now the next thing which they are asking us to calculate is the amount of heat rejected to the surroundings. So that is W is equals to Q1 minus Q2. So therefore W value we know 3.333 is equals to Q1 minus 6. So that is the value of Q2 which we have already found, or they have already given. So Q1 is equals to 9.3333 kilowatt, or we can write it as 559.998 kilojoules per minute by multiplying this term into 60. Now they are asking us to draw the system, that is the sketch of the system. So if these are the surroundings, that is T1, and this is the refrigerator. Okay, heat rejected to the surroundings is Q1. Okay, and heat received is Q2. This is the food compartment, and here the temperature is T2. So this is how we will represent the system. So I hope you have understood the problem. Thank you.